It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I went and I picked up another trailer. I just picked up the car. It's up on the back of this. I'm about halfway into this, so I'm about halfway asleep. I was up all night being excited about this and preparing and thinking about it. I barely got any sleep, but I'm just so excited right now, it doesn't even matter. So I'm taking this car up to shop right now so we can go ahead and get started on it. We might even be able to hear it run. I'll make sure I get that on video. And that's it. I'm super excited. Let's head to shop right now. Let's get started. We're in auto shop right now. We got this thing all set up. We're about to put it on a lift, and the first thing we want to do is yank that muffler off and hear it. The next thing we want to do, come over here. What's your name?
My name's Eric Schaefer. I'm working on cars for a few years.
He's going to be helping me yank this V12 out.
Yep.
So hopefully it goes smoothly. What do you think? Do you think it's going to go smooth?
I think it's going to go pretty good. We got the airport auto shop. We got Mr. Cordes.
We got Mr. Cordes. We're going to show him in just a second. He's standing over there.
I think this is going to go amazing, and it's going to sound great.
It's going to sound amazing.
It's going to be a powerhouse.
It's going to be ridiculous. This is going to be the craziest thing ever. So we just lifted it up. We just lifted it up, and we're going to yank the mufflers off.
Yeah.
The mufflers are gone. Somebody already did a muffler delete and it's still silent. Also, the tire's flat.
Where are we at?
We just pulled the entire exhaust off. It is full open headers right now, and we're gonna start it up for the first time and hear what it sounds like. What do you think it's gonna sound like?
Sound badass. What it's gonna sound like?
I hope so. Cordes, what do you think it's gonna sound like? You think it's gonna sound like a Chevy?
Yes.
I don't know. I think it's gonna sound sweet. All right, here we go. Did it sound like what you thought it would sound like?
Pretty much.
All right. We pulled the exhaust off. It sounded like open headers, basically. It just sounded like a V8. So what we're gonna be doing is when we drop this entire engine out, which we're working on right now, we're gonna drop the entire engine out through the bottom, and then we're gonna pull off the headers, and we're gonna build our own headers from scratch. And we're just gonna try and build an exhaust so that it sounds more like the V12 it's supposed to. So that's the plan for that. Right now we're just gonna drop the entire engine out. Ooh. We're just gonna drop the entire engine out. We're gonna dump all the fluids. We're gonna change some gaskets. We're gonna do some maintenance while we got it out. We're gonna do the spark plugs, and we're gonna run a compression test and see how it runs. If it passes, if it fails, see what we need to replace. It's gonna be mean. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy we already got started. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be amazing. So we just started disassembling everything and pulling a lot of the stuff out that we need to get out of the way so we can drop the entire front subframe. And while working on a lot of this stuff, found a lot of bonus parts. See if we can get in here. There was an entire diff. There was an entire diff sitting where the spare tire should be. And in here, CDs, cassette, BMW infotainment center, a smashed phone, random parts all over the place, my hoodies. There was a bunch of goodies back in here too before we started putting spare parts over there. So this thing was full of everything. It was pretty crazy. We just kept digging and kept finding stuff. But other than that, everything is going smooth so far. You know, we still have some things here and there that have to be pulled off.
Oh my God, what is that?
I literally just closed the hood and a spider popped out. So we're gonna end this video just about right here. In conclusion, we've gone through and we listened to the exhaust. We don't like it. It sounds like a Chevy big block V8 with open headers. It did not sound great. We want it to sound like the V12 that it really is. So we're gonna go ahead and build our own exhaust on that. We are gonna be making a progress video very soon showing where we actually are in this build. And that's about it for this one. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell everybody about this. We're so happy that we actually got the opportunity to do this build, Grace and I. Grace is finally here. And we hope you guys have enjoyed.